and what is balanced diet, and in the balanced diet carbohydrate, protein, fats, minerals and dietary fibers that we are discussed in the last class. In this class we are going to discuss about the communicable diseases or infectious diseases. Communicable disease means the disease spread person to person with the air or any infected person. That is called as communicable disease. That we will discuss in this today's class. Germs. The communicable diseases spreads with the help of the germs. Germs are bacteria, virus, protozoa and fungi. These are the germs. These germs are causing the communicable diseases. And these diseases are, what are the communicable, which are example for the communicable diseases such as tuberculosis, cholera, typhoid and these are spread by the bacteria. Diseases such as cholera, typhoid and tuberculosis, these are spread by the bacteria. Bacterial diseases are cholera, typhoid, cholera and tuberculosis short form TB. These are diseases are the bacterial diseases, germs, bacterial diseases. Polio, viral diseases are polio and dysentery. These are amoebic dysentery also we can call. Amoebic dysentery, these are the protozoan diseases. The germs are the main causative agents of the diseases. Diseases ಯಾವ ತರ ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ germs ಇಂದನೇ ನಮಗೆ ಮೇನ್ ಆಗಿ ಎಲ್ಲ diseases ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Understand? The diseases which can spread with the help of the germs are the causative agent. All the disease spreading causative agents are the germs. Germs are spreading all the diseases to the peoples or else peoples. Direct contact. How the disease can spread the direct contact? With the help of the cloth of a person, of an infected person. Disease such as ringworm can spread by direct contact with the skin or cloths of an infected person. Example, which disease? Ringworm. Ringworm disease. Ringworm disease. Disease such as ringworm can spread by direct contact of with the skin or cloth of an infected person. The ringworm disease can spread with the direct contact of a person's skin or person uses cloths or a skin of that person. Air. Some diseases can spread by air. Common cold. Understand? Common cold. How that common cold disease spread by air? When an infected person sneeze out. Understand? When an infected person sneeze, that time all the germs are present in the air. All the germs are entering the air. That air breathes another person. That air breathe common another person. That germs are entering to that another person. So that's why air is also one of the causative agent of the disease. Air. How the air is common cold? Common cold is spread by the air. How the common cold is spread? When an infected person comes and sneezes. While sneezing, the germs droplets comes out that mixes into the air. Then that mixes into the air and another person breathe that air. That common cold will be happens. Understand? The some diseases are spread by the food and water. I think you all see whenever you went any fair or exhibition, that time you are seeing the food. They were exposing. Understand? ಎಲ್ಲರ ಎಕ್ಸಿಬಿಷನ್ ಗೆ ಜಾತ್ರೆಗೆ ಫೇರ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಜಾತ್ರೆಗೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋದಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಫುಡ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೋಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಇಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ. That food you people are consuming that food because that looks very nice, colorful and tasty. That food you are consuming and coming back to home. Then the diseases start spreading. How? All the germs, whatever the germs are present in air, the germs are sitting, and even what's that housefly, insects that are sitting in that food stuff, and that food stuff you are consuming. After consuming of that food stuffs, that are the housefly are the agent of the communicable disease spreading agent is the housefly that spreads the dirt person to another person. Example that cause the disease. Example, malaria. Malaria is an example for the diseases spread by the mosquitoes. Malaria is example for the diseases spread by the mosquitoes. Flies and cockroaches carry germs which can also infect the person. Flies, house flies, common house flies, house fly, cockroaches, that also spread the diseases. Insects are spreading the diseases person to person. Example, malaria, fever, plague, dengue fever. These are the examples of the insects spreading the diseases. This is the communicable disease. Communicable disease means the disease which can spread person to person, the infected person to another person. That is called as the communicable disease. The communicable diseases spread with the help of some agents. Air is also one of the agent of the communicable diseases spreading, and another one is food and water is also one of the agent of the communicable disease spreading, and insects also one of the agent of the communicable disease spreading, and even our damaged skin part also. Damaged skin also